Hello everyone, welcome back to College Duniya's exam channel. If you have appeared for JEE Advanced 2026, your exam journey isn't over yet. One of the most important steps after the exam is checking your response sheet, verifying your marked answers and, if needed, raising objection against the provisional answer key. A single corrected answer can improve your score and even shift your rank significantly. In this video, we'll guide you through how to download your JEE Advanced 2026 response sheet, analyze your performance, and submit objections correctly. Let's get started. Before taking any action, it's important to know the official timeline. On May 17, the JEE Advanced 2026 exam has been conducted. Your response sheet will be released on the official website on 21st May. And the provisional answer key will be published on 25th May, and the objection window will be open from 25th May to 26th May. And finally, on the 1st June, the final answer key along with the results will be released. Now let's see how to access your response sheet. Downloading your response sheet is simple, but make sure you follow these steps carefully. First, visit the official JEE Advanced website. Next, click on the candidate portal or the response sheet link once it becomes active. Log in using your JEE Advanced registration number, your date of birth, and your registered mobile number. Once logged in, open the section titled Candidate Response Sheet or Recorded Responses. Download the PDF immediately and save a copy for a future reference. Once you have your response sheet, the next step is careful analysis. Start by saving the response sheet in the PDF format. Then compare your recorded responses with the official provisional answer key, which will be released on 25th May. Check every answer carefully. After that, calculate your expected score using the official marking scheme. This analysis helps you identify whether any question needed to be challenged. Now let's see how to raise an objection. If you find any discrepancy in the provisional answer key, you can raise an objection, but only during the official objection window, which is 25th May to 26th May. Here's how. Go to the JEE Advanced official website and open the answer key challenge or feedback on answer keys section. Log in using your credentials. Select the paper, subject, and question ID you want to challenge. Now explain your objection carefully and precisely. Avoid any vague sentences. Support your claim with the proper evidence such as NCERT textbook references, standard book references, official formulas, or detailed calculation. Finally, submit your objections before the deadline. Late submissions will not be accepted. Many students underestimate the importance of raising objections, but it can make a real difference. When a single corrected question can improve your score and significantly affect your rank, especially if you are close to a cutoff. All objections are reviewed by expert subject panels before the final answer key is prepared. In the previous year, valid student objections have led to official corrections. So if you believe there is an error, don't hesitate to challenge it with the proper evidence. Your effort can genuinely impact your final result. Keep checking the JEE Advanced official website for official updates and the final answer key on 1st June. Stay informed, stay proactive, and for JEE Advanced updates, counseling guides, and admission insight, keep following College Duniya. Best of luck for your results.